channel. I don't think this is gonna be the intro, but
actually this is the intro.
I'm here at the grocery store. It is literally like 6 p.m. and it's pitch black out. So the best lighting I have is this. So yeah.
Okay, so I'm packing some reusable bags. These are all just like stuffed in the closet. I'm not going to be using more plastic bags. I have some already here. I also have my fabric ones too, but I mean, I want to use these because they're a little bit more durable. I got my reusable bags, my fanny pack. Let's go get some groceries. Okay, so this is the list we're working with today for Thanksgiving. Okay, so I'm trying to make sweet potatoes, you know, with the marshmallows and stuff on top, but these are like the thin ones. So I think I might have to go to a different store to get the like bigger sized ones. Okay, it literally just says a bag of potatoes, a small bag. So I don't know if she wants this or this, that, I don't know. Okay, I actually found the sweet potatoes that are like a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna try to get them. These are the bigger ones I was talking about. Like this size. Like this one, I'm gonna get this one because this is the size I was looking for. Okay, long story short, those actually weren't the potatoes. Those were like the Japanese potatoes where they're like purple on the inside when I was looking for the ones that were orange, so I did have to go to another store. All right, we're getting some dinner rolls. I'm getting some green beans. I think the recipe calls for 4, so I'm getting 4 cans. I didn't even check the expiration date. Wow, go me. Okay, I found the crispy onions, and it's 2 for $5. So, and then I also got some food for Bella and some dog treats, but I'll give you guys a haul later. These are the best. I don't care what you guys say. I'm not eating a vegan marshmallow. Actually, I haven't tried one yet, so I'm not gonna bash it, but I love Jet Puffs, so. Guys, these olives expire in 2026. Isn't that insane? Okay, I didn't get the stuffing, the turkey, or the sweet potatoes, which is the bulk of Thanksgiving, but I did manage to get all these groceries somehow, so we're gonna have to do a part 2 soon. So I cleaned out the fridge for Thanksgiving, and I officially am making breakfast for dinner because we don't have any groceries except for Thanksgiving stuff, which I'm not allowed to eat because of Thanksgiving. So I made these little breakfast sandwiches. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. This whole year I'm learning new things with cooking, and I poached an egg myself. I learned you need to cover it because these were cooking for like a good 5 minutes, and I'm like, what's happening here? It's like on medium high. What's going on? You guys need to cover it if you're gonna poach an egg. And then I made the hollandaise sauce. I don't know how to say it, but it's really yummy. And then I just topped it off with some paprika and some pepper. Sorry if the lighting's a little bit weird. All right, I'm on my way to an appointment, and I'm stuck behind a van and then a car behind the van, so I can't even. I'm listening to a bunch of 80s music right now, and I love listening to 80s music on the way. Here, I turn it off for copyright, but I love listening to 80s music on the way to anything medical because they always just have 80s music playing in the lobby, like the waiting room. I just get a vibe, especially in the morning. Like, it just reminds me of like a kid going to like the doctor's office, if that makes sense. And the vibes are high. You're like, this is not even my music, but it just, I don't know, it's just good vibes all the way around. I don't know. Thank you. Happy holidays. So unfortunately no 80s music playing, but it still gives me like nostalgic vibes. I don't know, I like being here. It's not like a scary appointment, it's a good one. So I had reward points in Alley, so you guys, if you get anything done, I think it's Botox and filler, and I don't know the exact brands, but it took off a good amount, and I was really excited. So those points add up, guys. Like, sign up with your email or phone number, and like, I swear to you guys, it really does help because it's the holidays, you're trying to save money, and like at the same time you still want to do nice things for yourself. So treat yourself, but also be smart and sign up for rewards when you can. So now I'm gonna go grocery shopping and get the turkey, the sweet potatoes, and the stuffing, and the gravy mix. And then I'm gonna go walk my dog, and then I have a meeting with my best friend. We're gonna talk, and yeah, goodbye. Holiday vibes all the way around right now. Like, everyone was so jolly in there. Holly jolly Christmas time. Holiday time, excuse me. Hi guys. Hi Buster. Bella. Come here. Look at what my mom picked up. She was craving something, and I'm like, hey, we're gonna have Thanksgiving food in like tomorrow basically. So we're trying to get the most opposite of Thanksgiving food. And so we have some Vietnamese food. I got some pho. They always do the containers separate. And yeah, so I got some chicken vermicelli and some fish oil sauce. And I'm so excited to eat this. We are at the park. Look at all these leaves. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, buds. So round 2 with the groceries. I am now at Safeway, so we're gonna go get some groceries, aka the turkey, the stuffing, the mashed potatoes, the bulk of Thanksgiving. So let's go. Also, it's Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. Okay, these are the sweet potatoes I was looking for. They're the orange ones. This is the size I need for the dish I'm trying to make. Oh. Okay, your girl could not find a shopping cart anywhere, so I don't know how I'm gonna carry a turkey now with one arm and no space, but we're gonna do it. Good morning, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, this is way too low, but so I just got ready and did a quick little glam. I made a TikTok on it. It's literally a get ready with me. Sorry guys, but anyways. Oh, it was literally so fast. It was literally like clip, 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 you know, not super in depth. So I will do a get ready with me on here sometime soon. But yeah, I'll probably recreate this look actually. It was very easy, very minimal. My outfit is just this cute little baby doll tee. The pants are from Abercrombie. It's like the viral TikTok pants that I got like a year ago. So this year, my Thanksgiving rolls are making the sweet potatoes, the cranberry sauce, and the pumpkin pie. So, and I think, I'm not sure if I still am, but I was going to make this like sangria, mulled wine type of drink. I don't really know. I'm gonna go start on that. It's already like noon too, so. What did you say?
I don't have makeup on yet, so
you're fine. You're beautiful.
We are
okay. What are you giving it a bath?
kind of drying it off.
Okay. What are you doing? Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, ferocious. Okay, bye. Bella's gonna go play tennis at the park because you're spoiled and you need exercise. Hello. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, so the potatoes are out of the oven. They've been cooking for like the last 2 hours and I've literally been doing nothing for the last 2 hours. But now I'm gonna start on the pumpkin pie. This is what I'm working with. I'm sure you guys have seen this like at the grocery store. It was literally at the end of the aisle for the holidays, obviously. And then I'm gonna take these 2 pie crusts already made and I'm just gonna use this for this one, this for that one. Sorry if that's unsanitary to you guys, but this is what I'm doing. All right, note to self, it literally says wait like 15 minutes to like get to room temperature. I didn't read that until after, so it's like all dried and stuff, but this side looks good, so we're just gonna focus on the positive today. And then of course this one I'm just gonna wait the 15 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't come out like that, but either way everything's gonna get cooked anyways and it's gonna get eaten. Who cares? This is my first time making pumpkin pie, I'm pretty sure, except for like, I don't know, like high school and stuff like that, but like, you know, it's going good. It's going good. I'm gonna put on an apron. Look at how cute. Okay, how do you tie this thing? Okay. Cute, cooking with Kelly. I had to put my hair down and get a thumbnail. This is so cute. Actually, I like the clip. It gives me more homey vibes. Okay, we're doing the clip. There we go. Maybe like a spatula. Oh wait. There we go. Oh wait, hold on. There we go. I don't know what to do. Are you kidding me? Trying to be aesthetic. Oh, wait, it actually worked. right, I'm gonna attempt to do this with one hand. Oh my gosh. They came out so beautiful. Don't worry, I'm gonna wipe that up. This one is dangerously close to the edge, but I don't think they rise that much. I'm not sure, but they came out so cute. All right, in you go. Goodbye. Taking a break and eating some egg salad. I think this is my favorite sauce. This one is the spinach artichoke one. All right, next is the cranberries. I already have the water and the sugar. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna take some orange zest. My mom's holding the camera. Okay. You actually can flip it over. Okay. So, anyways, now I'm doing the cranberries. I have cinnamon, I have sugar. It's on like a low medium heat. Now I'm gonna take some orange zest, but I don't wanna like alter the flavor too much. So we're just gonna take a little bit. I wish the zest was like flying out.
Use a different one that's a little sharper. Ooh, I know what you should use.
Okay. Guys, look at this masterpiece. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? All right, after a long day in the kitchen, just kidding, it's been like an hour and a half. The pies are ready. The cranberry sauce is ready. The sweet potatoes are ready. All right, I just set the table. I don't really know what kind of centerpiece, so I just grabbed the one from the kitchen. It's just us 4 this year, plus the dogs, so how cute is this little setup? Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
How are those potatoes? Okay, so the food is almost ready. It's literally that part of the vlog where all I need to do is just wait till we eat. All right, now we're just adding the marshmallows. Yes, my hands are clean. There we go, that's it. Alrighty, this is going in the oven for another, how long, Mom?
About 15 minutes.
About 15 more minutes.
Get it in the oven.
Okay. Hi, Buster. Oh, he's hungry for some Thanksgiving food. He's gonna get his plate in a little bit, but this is the spread. Wow. So we have our sweet potatoes here by yours truly, cut by my dad. Sorry, it's blurry. And then we have some, I don't know, dark meat, light meat. The pies are cooling for another hour and 5 minutes. My mom, she wanted canned cranberry sauce. I don't even know. And then we have my cranberry sauce. Oh wow, look at that color. She's gorge. My mom made the stuffing, the casserole, the gravy with little turkey bits in it. She's showing us. And then my dad made some mashed potatoes. Potatoes. Oh, Bella. Okay, wait. Wait. Okay. Oh, peanut. The dogs are eating. Buster has his little butt pad because his back legs, you know, getting old. He's so strong though. And then Bella, she got some turkey and a little bit of gravy and her regular food too. You could tell a lot about a person by their plate and where they put their food. I put the cranberry on the turkey. Everything is just touching. Love it. Hey guys. We got Buster here. Hi buddies. Here you are, my handsome boy. My sweet boy. So we drove to San Jose to my cousin's house and we're gonna go drop off food because she's working from home, and I don't know, I feel like it's right to drop off food for Thanksgiving, but also don't want to vlog it too much because it's a little weird when you're like, oh my god, it's Thanksgiving here, look what I'm doing. Anyways, I also ran errands to look at a new mattress too, but yeah, enjoy the B-roll.